I've ventured into the world of 3D printing. I bought a Bambu A1 and I just assembled it, and this is its first print. How cool is this? Look at this. It's like a little boat. It's only, I don't know, a minute into it. This is insane. This is 4 minutes in. I can't believe how fast this is printing this. I think I better find a more stable table there. Look at the shades. Like these lightning.
Jealous, are you?
Jealous? Oh, come on, Sandy, don't make me laugh. Ha, ha, ha.
How long are we in? 3 minutes to go. This is 14 minutes in total, this print. What? It's constructing the roof. How does that not melt? What? How is that not sagging in? How is that not sagging in? You'd think because it was... it's just drying as soon as it loads. Look at it. Well, this is mesmerising. Look at this valve. This is nearly done. Look at that, 14 minutes. That didn't exist 14 minutes ago, and now it's a thing. But it's like thoughts in my mind that want to turn into paintings. Oh my days. But they take hours, not 14 minutes. This is the rise of the robots. There you go, presented. Ta-da! Right, we'll wait till that cools down. There it is, my little boat. A real thing. That's mad. How can that... This is like some sort of witchcraft. I know. Okay. Oh well, can't have everything. How cool is that though? There you go, welcome to 3D printing. Amazing. What's next?